The turn of the new year stereotypically brings with it a renewed focus and optimism on our own health and fitness. With that in mind, I decided to film this review of my favourite gym tracking app called GymBook to help those with their newfound optimism from the new year easily track their workouts. So what is GymBook? Well, GymBook is an iOS app that is designed to, in their own words, create and manage your workouts, log your progress, and analyse your performance. So if you're someone who is currently or looking to get started in weightlifting at the gym, then this is the app for you because it makes it so easy to track your sets, your repetitions, and your progress in lifting heavier and heavier weights over time. Okay, so you've probably heard about hundreds of different gym tracking apps. So why do I care about this one? Why am I reviewing this one? Because to me, one of the standout features of this app is that it is really minimally designed, but is also beautiful at the same time. It's not getting in your way. It's a cleanly designed app that enables you to open the app, log your workout, and move on. On a deeper level, if you think about it, many people at the gym to look and feel good. And if you think about it, this app has almost adopted that same principle, right? It looks and feels good to use. And I think that's a really, really key element of a good workout app. Okay, so let's dive in and take a look at the app, how to use it, and what it really looks like. Okay, so I'm going to open up the GymBook app. And the first thing you'll want to do as a new user is create a new workout, a new routine. And to do that, you simply hit the pencil icon to edit your workouts, and then hit the plus icon to create a new workout. I'm just going to give it a name of Push Day, and you see you can give it certain days if you wish, assign it to a group of workouts, add notes, but I'm going to leave them blank for now. So once you've created your workout, you want to add exercises to it. So again, you follow the same procedures of hitting the pencil icon to edit your routine and then the plus icon to add exercises. Now, from reading about it, this app has at least 50 built-in predefined exercises that you can use in any of your routines. If you do upgrade to the premium version, which I will say is only £6.99 for your lifetime, you get access to over 100 exercises. So it really, really simplifies the process of building your workout routines so that you can get tracking immediately. So what I'm going to do is just quickly add a couple of exercises. And one thing you'll pick up on here is that the high degree of customization. So I can add sets with various weights and reps. I can add warm-ups, cool-downs. I can set timers, so when you rest between exercises, you can adjust the amount of time you spend. So if you've got a more intense exercise, increase it. A less intense one, decrease the rest period. So there's a load of customization. I'm just going to add a second exercise now. Let's go for dumbbell flies. Add. Cool. So now you have a routine built as an example here. So coming back to the main screen, we're going to now look at how you track your workout routines within the app. You know, this is the main purpose of the app, to track your data and progress over time. And the key thing here is that from beginning to logging your first set, it takes 3 clicks. So I'm going to select a routine that I've made previously. So this push routine. I'm going to go into my barbell bench presses, second click, and I'm going to click on the first set and let's say I did 9 reps, 55 kilograms, save, and then immediately my rest timer has popped up. So it's so fluid and there's no friction to logging a thing, right? Because if it was a lot of effort to do, I'm not going to use it, right? I'm just going to use a piece of pen and paper. But these features, like having a built-in rest timer, giving you a history of your previous workouts really helps to improve your performance and focus on what do you need to do to get better, right? I did 6 reps last time, now I need to do at least 7, maybe 8. But the second thing that I love about this app is down at the bottom here, you'll see a graph of all my barbell bench press efforts for the last 2 years. All right, and why is this useful? Because in such a small amount of space, it's conveying to me my progress over time. And hopefully the aim is you see it increase over time. And you can actually kind of press your thumb and hold and swipe over to see the dates and the efforts and the weights and the average number of reps. So I find that really kind of motivational and informative, and it's a really, really nice use of a graph, right? And it all comes back to that first point I made about the UI is just so clean and so useful and focused on its core purpose, logging and developing your workouts. So that's kind of it for logging. You go through your workouts, track each exercise, each set, each rep, and that's that. Another feature that I think is really standout for GymBook compared to other gym apps is the high degree of customization. So if we navigate to the settings tab, you can kind of get a feel for this, where you can edit the units of measure, you can edit the appearance of the app, whether it's the icon or the theme in the app, all kinds of customization around timers and rest period, around how it remembers your workout history, the graphing types, so many ways of customizing it so that the app works for your routine. As I've scrolled down here, you'll see I've got to a section called Export. Now this is where you can export your entire workout history as a CSV or an XML file. Now my understanding is this is a premium only feature. So as I mentioned, the app for lifetime costs $6.99 at the moment, which I think is a steal. But anyway, this export feature allows you to, into an Excel spreadsheet, to do extra detailed analysis. So whether you want to create your own custom charts, or you want to share your data with your personal trainer to kind of work on it and see your progress over time, you have those options available because you can export your data. It's a really, really good feature and it's really clean. And I'll show a screenshot of it now, what it looks like as an output. So that concludes my review and mini tour of GymBook, the gym tracking app. If you have any questions or thoughts, then hit me up in the comments below or check out my socials in the description. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.